here with the cars. Damn it, I gotta move the Mercedes in. I forgot taking the M5 out. It is pretty early morning right now, and you'd understand that, or you'd tell by how peaceful it is. Kind of hear the birds chirping and everything. While I'm opening the gate, realized that the Mustang is actually on the other side too, so we need to move that as well.
I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, it don't f*** on lame bitch. Can't even f*** on the same shit.
Let's see what happens. I actually do need to fill up a lot, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's like $100 or so. But I'm getting rewards, so maybe it's a little cheaper, but we'll just see.
That shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment. Lil' boy, I'm not one you could play with. I grew up in Brooklyn, left right, I keep looking. If the ops come, then we get to bucking. So sad that my youngest stay shook. Get a bag, we don't play with a book. Made a slab, now they all wanna hug. If you ask, yeah, I do the dash, yeah. Got money back.
Unfortunately, our new sprayer hose doesn't fit into the hose that I brought out to wash the car. So that's one issue. We had to rearrange the cars because we didn't want water to get into the garage, since the garage obviously doesn't have a door yet. And now we're basically washing the M5 on the streets.
We gon' post bail when that ship sail. Oh yeah, I pop tags, that's my swag. Don't get mad, go there. They wanna know how we came up at that basement. It was damn stuff. I was down bad on my ass, I had no job, I was fucked up, yeah. Now I get to sit back and laugh while you haters are mad and you counting your pay stubs. I do this all on my own. Right after wake up, I go get my cake up. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, it don't on lame. Can't even on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment. Lil' boy, I'm not one you could play with. Watch out, everyone come for that ride out, yeah. Say watch out, we came at that dog pound, yeah. Say watch out, everyone come for that ride out, yeah. Say watch out, we came at that dog pound, yeah. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, it don't lame bitch, can't even the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment. Lil' boy, I'm not one you could play with.
About to grab food in the Beamer. It is finally clean, at least on the outside. All right, finally made it home, and I guess we'll see what other adventures we get into. I got a text from the dealer basically confirming that the road test will be taking place today. We're already several hours into the day since the dealer opened, so I'm actually a little surprised that they didn't already do the road test, because I would assume that it wouldn't require that much time. But maybe they're working on other stuff already, since my car was completed on Friday. And, you know, since they're working on their cars, maybe they're sort of putting this damn road test on the back burner. And yeah, so we'll just see when the car's ready. I told them that, you know, I won't even be available for the next couple of hours. So hopefully in the next couple of hours, they get this damn test done. They run the car to make sure that there are no other codes. And hopefully the car's ready in a couple of hours, because I told them when I'll be available. So I'm hoping they actually try to get this done in the meantime. So when I get available, the car will also be ready to be picked up. Today is the big day. I don't believe I recorded a scene yesterday. So the last update you guys got on the Lamborghini was about 2 days ago. But basically what ended up happening is that they worked out, or whatever, 3 of the modes, I believe it was called. The 4th one, they ended up not setting, I don't think, on Monday, like they said they would after the car cools down. So I never ended up getting an update on the car on Monday evening. I don't know if I recorded that part. And then on Tuesday, I eventually got an update in the morning time, said that they tried to set the mode or whatever, but it failed, and they believed it was because the car had no gas in it. I'm pretty sure I gave the car up with more than half a tank, potentially even 3/4 of a tank, unless I'm completely mistaken. So I'm not sure how they burned that much fuel, but regardless, got that update in the morning time. Many hours later in the evening time, I got an update saying that everything was set, the car was ready to be picked up, and the only downside was that they were about to close, so there was no way that I could go pick up the car. Even said I would take the car dirty just to have it, but you know, we are picking it up today. The car will be washed by them and so on and so forth, so can't wait to show you guys the car. Almost home. Unfortunately, my brakes are squeaking again, so I think the fact that it is sat for like a few days, I think the brakes got dusty again, and yeah, so got that issue again. Received a text from the dealer saying that the brakes on that car, the alert went off when they were about to wash the car, or after they washed the car on the way back to the dealer, and they ended up checking the brake pads. The brake pads are perfectly fine, so they think there might be a wiring issue, but they can't check the car until next week. And I'm just like, give me my damn car back, y'all. Current state of the backyard. My dad's actually been working on it for the last several days to make it look nicer, since it is, or it was, a mess. Yeah, I guess all this got somewhat evened out. It is quite uneven though. What the hell is that? Oh, it was the door. Guess my family got the door to install, some door handles. Hopefully the floor is easy to clean because it's an absolute mess. But yeah, hopefully we wrap up very soon. Out here with the cars again, and I overlooked the fact that I needed to move one car out to make sure the Lamborghini fits, even though I've been thinking about the car all day long. Sort of overlooked the fact that it needs to fit over here, so I need to move one car on the street. Garage is not ready to park cars just yet, so hopefully by the weekend it will be, most likely, if everything goes as planned, it will be ready to park cars. And yeah, so we'll have no issues from that point onward. Kind of cold start, except I turned it on earlier, but yeah, I guess the car's kind of cold still. Now here we are in the C55, trying to move as quickly and safely as possible. Now back in the M5, dealing with all these cars that are very different, with very different drive styles. All the cars are different lengths, whatnot. It's very interesting to drive. Only took 5 years, but we finally got space for the Lambo. Hopefully it fits over here actually, since the car is a bit wider and a bit long actually. Fitment might end up being a slight issue, but we'll just see. I think it should fit, but we haven't had it in so long. I'm not sure how much room it actually needs, but we'll see. I mean, I think it's enough, but who knows.
I might just pull up like a face ray in the back with a about a day. I might just cop a diamond chain out of these cheapskates. Then when it cash it all out on the same day, just like a face ray.
Can't believe it, but here we are back in the Lambo, headed home. Unfortunately, I forgot the damn camera, so I cannot record a POV vlog like I wanted, but here goes nothing.